On September 23, 2023, at around 3:40 in the morning, Southwest Division patrol officers attempted to pull over a stolen vehicle in the area of Jefferson Boulevard and Western Avenue.
303, can I get an airship for a possible code 37 vehicle, 10th Ave in Jefferson, going southbound on 10th Ave? It's going to be a green Kia Soul, license plate 7 Edward Ida Sam 013.
Any area to come in on Southwest frequency for a possible code 37 southbound 10th Avenue from Jefferson, a green Kia Soul 7 Edward Ida Sam 013.
Air 16.
Air 16 is en route.
That was 6th Avenue from Jefferson.
Southbound 10th Avenue from Jefferson.
1600.
3Z3, are you following the vehicle?
3Z3, you can show me in pursuit of a possible code 37 vehicle, eastbound Exposition from 7th Ave. I'm going to get a backup airship and a supervisor. 3Z3, can I get 2 additional units in my pursuit? There's going to be 2 occupants. Vehicle is traveling approximately 50 miles per hour. Traffic is light.
All units on frequency standby. 3Z3 is in pursuit of a possible code 37 vehicle, eastbound Exposition from 7th Avenue, a green Kia Soul 7 Edward Ida Sam 013. Requesting a backup air unit and supervisor. 2 additional units. There's 2 occupants traveling 50 miles per hour.
7-3, secondary pursuit.
373 is secondary.
Northbound St. Andrews from Exposition. Eastbound 37 Drive from St. Andrews.
3Z3 was on northbound St. Andrews from Exposition and eastbound 37 from Expo, requesting a unit with a light bar to take over.
3Z3 Western from 37th Place.
3Z3 repeats across the 37.
3Z3 northbound Western, approaching 36th Place. And as soon as the air unit's over, we'll go into tracking.
3Z3 is now northbound Western, approaching 36, requesting a unit for tracking.
Come up to Jefferson.
Okay, when we have the light bar, we'll take over.
381 is taking over.
370, I'm responding and monitoring.
370 is responding and monitoring.
Code 6, Western, just north of Jefferson, facing northbound. The units respond northbound only on Western.
370, I'm approving the 2 additional units in the pursuit.
3Z3 is code 6 Western, north of Jefferson, facing northbound, requesting units to respond northbound on Western, and 3L70 is approving the 2 additional units.
370, I'm getting code 6. Can I get a unit to stop all northbound traffic on
3L70 is code 6, requesting the units to stop northbound traffic.
Yeah, Air 16 can actually get the next unit to stop the southbound traffic on Western. And it's going to be, I think, from 29.
Air units requesting the units to stop southbound traffic on Western. And 29.
370, I need 1 more additional unit at the termination.
3L70 is requesting an additional unit.
Can I get a unit to canvass the area of 9th Avenue and Exposition?
As the sergeant was approaching the stolen vehicle, she was struck by another vehicle whose driver was determined to be under the influence.
3Z3 is requesting a unit to canvass the area 9th Avenue and Exposition. Passenger door open at that location.
Hey! Officer needs help! Officer needs help! I have an officer down! Western and Jefferson! Alright, stay still.
All units, officer needs help, Western and Jefferson. Officer needs help, Western and Jefferson. Officer down, any area to come in on Southwest frequency.
Let me get an RA for
16, we're overhead of the officer needs help call. Everybody can respond northbound Western from Jefferson, please. and start an RA for an officer involved in TC, vehicle versus pedestrian.
Our LAPD sergeant was in stable condition after nearly being killed. Nearly a month after being hospitalized and multiple surgeries later, she has finally been discharged from the hospital to continue her long road to recovery. The driver of that vehicle was later identified as. She was arrested and booked for felony DUI with injuries.